Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to rotate a photo in Canva. So let's get started. Sign into your Canva account and start a new design or open an existing one. Click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar to upload your photo from your computer. So we already have one. Now click on the photo to select it. You will see a bounding box with handles around the photo. To rotate the photo, hover over the circular handle located at the top of the bounding box. Click and drag the handle to rotate the photo in the desired direction. So there you go. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.